Okay, it has to be replaced, this Vivo Y11. Because I know the cell phone of Bill Galang is Samsung. Because he has a two cell phone, iPhone 13. The cell phone of 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 Jens Manaid, Cherry Mobile. Because he used his cell phone's Cherry Mobile. But I don't think there is lots of smartphones. Jens has a smartphone, Cherry Mobile. He using it his cell phone while Bill Galang Samsung. Oh. Because I know the cell phone of Bill Galang and the cell phone of Jens Manaid, Cherry Mobile and Samsung. So it is time to replace the Vivo Y11 for almost 7 years. I talked to my mom. I said I will buy another phone, Redmi, another cell phone. Probably I will buy another cell phone. It's nothing problem. It has to be replaced. Just like my mom says to me, dapat palitan. Oh, if it is a 7 years that cell phone of Vivo Y11, dapat palitan. For example, when I broke the button of the cell phone, it has to be replaced. Just like that, my sleepers was broken. How many years of my sleepers? Oh, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. My Adidas sleepers for almost 4 years is broken. And Nanay Baji says to me, ipalit mo na yan. Oh, it say you have to change the sleepers. We have to change the sleepers. Oh, itapon na yan. That's why, she said that itapon na yan ang chinelas that was broken and you need to replace. You need to replace. Look at the sleepers of Lenny Robredo. She threw it away, the broken one, and she replaced another. Oh, she replaced it. That's why I said we have to replace the cell phone into 7 years. Oh, we have to change it because as I'm a blogger, we have to change our our cell phone. Because me, I have a cell phone too. My mom will give it to me my old cell phone. Oh, by Christmas, my mom will buy me another phone, Realme. Because my dad asked me to buy a cell phone in Japan, iPhone 16. Yes, I know the cell phone iPhone. But I'm popular that iPhone. But Jens Manaid cell phones are Cherry Mobile and also iPhone 16. He has iPhone because his brother Allen is using a cell phone, iPhone 16. That was Jen's brother. While Jens Manaid is using iPhone 16, but he never used it. But he's used Cherry Mobile. Oh, he has iPhone 16. He and his brother, and he has his own Cherry Mobile, a radio cell phone. Oh, just like I remember Jens Manaid.